everyone, it's Joanne for the Hip Kit Club. I hope you're having a good day. Thank you for stopping by to see my scrapbook layout. I am using the June 2024 Hip Kits. I started off by tearing 3 pieces of paper, 2 cardstock and 1 pattern paper. Isn't that beautiful? Look at all these colors. I love it. So I'm going to put them over here to the left of the page. I just randomly ripped them. And then I want to use this super cool stencil. It's not green. I have some paint on there. And I was just practicing to see if this color was going to be perfect. And I think it is. This is the coolest stencil ever. It has it's bigger than 12 by 12. And you can get the whole width of your paper. I love it. So I will start it right there, coming out of the 3 pieces of ripped paper. I'm going to use a blending brush and blend in some of the Shimmers Paints Vibes Frog Get Me Not, the greatest names ever Shimmers has, into this. And I'm just going to mix this up a little bit. I'm going to pour some on my table over here. Let me see if I can move this and pour it a little bit closer. I don't want to pour too close because it'll get on my background. And you can blend with a liquid. The trick is to make sure that your blending brush is not too wet. So I always put a little bit down over here. Take this and I'm just going to dab it in there. And then I'm going to dab it again off to the side and get rid of some of the liquid. So it's not super wet, because if it's too wet, whatever tool you're using, it'll go underneath the stencil and you won't want that. So this seems like it's about straight. It's okay if it's not perfect. And lightly go over your stencil. If you press too hard, it could go underneath a little bit. And you don't need too much because you're doing a liquid. And this is super pretty. Okay guys, I totally changed my mind. I took this that we stenciled with the shimmers and I cut it out of the background and then turned it and adhered it down to another piece of white paper cardstock. So there you go. And I'm going to use this awesome photo of my 2 nephews. Aren't they gorgeous? Look at them. Alright, and I took several pieces of paper from the kit, some pattern paper, some cardstock, and this is from the 6x8 papers in the Pocket Life kit. And I ripped some of it and some of it I didn't. This is a cut out from one of the pocket cards and I loved it, and I just layered it all together and I left the edges open without adhering them down because I thought maybe I could tuck some things, so maybe we can put the photo like right there. That way we have white space to decorate, and this looks super cool with the pattern paper and that stencil. Picked out a whole bunch of embellishments from the embellishment kit and the main kit. The chipboard frames are totally awesome. I love them. I like using them as decorative elements, so I'm going to put one right in here. How cool does that look? And there's another one. It has this really cool design on it. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to put this a little tilted, because instead of just backing the photo just straight like I normally do, I took several pieces of paper and tilted them in all different directions. Just a lot of layering on this. That's kind of cool. Maybe I'll bring it out a little bit. We'll just leave it right there for now until we decide. A sentiment strip from the Pocket Pages kit. We must definitely do it all again, which is perfect. 2 brothers out for the day golfing. I will stick this in here. Make sure it's straight. That's cute. All right, I like that. Okay, and then these, I believe, are supposed to be trees, but I thought it would be kind of cool if we use them as circles, and then just tuck these in so they look like circles instead of trees. So you can use your ephemera any way that you want to. Let's see about how I can get this in there nicely. There were puffy titles, which I love, and I picked Let's Go because they're golfing. I'm not sure exactly where I want this, so maybe here and here. Okay, next we are going to use this little map, and it just reminded me of the little maps that you get from the golf course. I was thinking, let's put it right here in this corner. How cute is that? I think it goes really well with this layout, so let's go ahead and commit to that. I wonder if I need a foam square underneath there, so we'll see. This is beautiful vellum with silver foiling, and it says out and about all the way around it. I really like that. I just want to try to get some silver in here, I think. I want to make sure I can see that it says out and about. We're going to finish embellishing now, and I took a little break and I thought about it a little bit more. So I took this silver pack of embellishments, and it came with a whole bunch of nested circles. They are super cool. You get one here and one here, and they're bigger. I ended up taking them and I put them on pattern paper, and I think that's super pretty. I love it. So I'm going to put some circles here and some circles in here, and we're going to finish this up. So this one's really big, so let's go ahead and put this in the corner like this and see how this looks. And then here's this one with some stripes, and then let's use this one with the arrows. Just tuck it in like that. I'm liking adding the different shapes in here. And then I figured, let's embrace all the papers being tilted and tilt this as well right over the corner of this, like that maybe. Let's see. Okay, good. This would be the perfect spot for those little cute sneakers that just absolutely have to go on this layout. So I'll put a piece of foam behind that right there, but let's just get it stuck down for now. We'll put these right here. Maybe up a little bit more. Okay, good. Yeah, I definitely need to put some foam there, but it'll be fine. Okay, let's do that. Extra too much glue there. All right, and then I made 3 more. I was thinking about having it being like a diagonal and coming in here to go along with this circle. So let's put this here. And then this one is super pretty. Let's tuck this in here. I love these papers from this month's kit. They're just beautiful. And here is another one. So because the lines in the pattern paper are going straight across on this one, I'm going to turn this the other way and have them go up and down. All right, let's get some of these puffies glued down. I'll just see about putting them around randomly. I think this is really cute. We will put this one here. It says here and there. I always put glue on my puffies. Little sunglasses. Those are adorable. And let's see, how about right here? Cute. Another little pair of sneakers. Definitely need to use these. Let's put this right in here. An arrow. I don't know. That doesn't look bad. Let's put it up there. Definitely want to get some rub-ons on here though, because oh my god, I love them. Very easy to use too. They're good ones. Okay, we are going to put this little teeny puppy camera right here because it's too cute. Gotta use it. Let me take one more quick glance at this. This is cute. It says I was here, and it looks like a flag, like on the golf course at the tee, or not the tee, while you're putting. Maybe this. And I think that might be it. This cute tree though, I don't know. Okay. What about a tree? Let's get the tree here. Okay, that's cute. Maybe I can put this one here, like that. So I put a bunch of puffies, rub-ons, and a lot of those silver foiled stickers down all around the layout. My camera did decide that it wanted to quit on me, so I don't know what was lost. Hopefully not too much, but let me bring it in close for you. Lots of layering, super cute embellishments in this kit. Perfect for every layout you can possibly think of. And tons of travel. I love these rub-ons, they're so cute. And I love this silver foiling. So there you go. I'll put close-ups at the end, and I will put everything in the description box below that you need to know about the Hip Kit Club. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out and ask us. And you can also join the Facebook page for the Hip Kit Club. I'll link everything below if you would like to join us. Thank you so much for spending some of your time with me. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.